Here is a multivitamin from IQ Biology. They sent me this so I could try it. This is a natural immune boost. It says whole body health, immune and bone health, wellness and energy. This is made in the USA and globally sourced. Oh, it says doctor formulated. So multivitamin, 60,000 mcg complex per serving. We've got vitamins A, B's, C, D, and E, magnesium, biotin, alpha lipoic acid, and folic acid. There's no GMO, no gluten, no sugar, no soy, no dairy, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no fillers, no artificial sweeteners. That's all great. The suggested use is as a dietary supplement, take 2 capsules daily or as directed by a provider. Wow, there's a lot in here. So for 2 capsules, there are a lot of things happening. Let me just kind of quickly do a rapid fire. We've got vitamin A, vitamin C, D, E, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, folate as folic acid, vitamin B12, biotin, calcium, magnesium as magnesium oxide, zinc, it's zinc citrate, selenium, copper, manganese, chloride, sodium, neem leaf, something I can't read. I think it says triphala extract. For some reason, my eyes just won't focus on that one. Proprietary recovery blend, which is coenzyme Q10, lutein, and alpha lipoic acid. The proprietary immune support blend is orange extract, blueberry extract, garlic bulb extract, elderberry extract, and spinach extract. Yeah, so that's a lot. That's awesome because sometimes there are some days where I look at my supplement container and I'm like, whoa, that's way too many because everything is individual. So this is great because I can just be like, ooh, 1 and then, or 2, the serving size, and get all of these things. So that's excellent, especially if you're traveling and you're just like, you know what, I'm just gonna take these because they've got a lot. So let's check them out. I already busted through the seal. They don't smell like anything crazy. I think one of the capsules broke open in here because there's a lot of like dust, but it's fine. Here's what the capsule looks like. That is clear. So that's the color of the powder. And they look like an average size to me. And you only have to take 2 of them to get all of this. So that is excellent. I like this little container. I have tried another one of their products recently and liked them too. So I am liking this brand, IQ Biology, and excited to start taking these.